7 symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor, O2 sensor. Check engine light and poor fuel economy. Is your check engine light on? Is your car using more fuel than usual? A faulty oxygen sensor could be the reason. In this video, I'll show you the 7 most common symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor and how to identify the problem before it causes expensive engine damage. Let's get started. On bad oxygen sensor symptoms. Symptoms number 1, check engine light. The most common sign of a failing oxygen sensor is the check engine light. The O2 sensor monitors the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases and sends information to the engine computer. If the readings are incorrect, the computer stores a fault code and turns on the warning light. Symptom number 2, poor fuel economy. If your car suddenly starts consuming more fuel than normal, a bad oxygen sensor may be sending incorrect information to the engine computer. As a result, the engine may inject too much fuel, causing poor fuel economy. Increased fuel consumption. Symptom number 3, rough engine idle. A faulty oxygen sensor can affect the air-fuel mixture, causing rough idling. You may notice the engine shaking, vibrating, or running unevenly while stopped and rough idle. Symptom number 4, engine misfire or hesitation. When accelerating, the vehicle may hesitate, stumble, or even misfire. This happens because the engine isn't receiving the correct fuel mixture for efficient combustion. On screen test, hesitation and misfire. Symptom number 5, failed emissions test. A bad oxygen sensor can increase harmful exhaust emissions. If your vehicle fails an emissions inspection, the oxygen sensor should be one of the first components checked. High emissions. Symptom number 6, strong fuel smell. If you smell gasoline from the exhaust or around the vehicle, the engine may be running too rich. A faulty oxygen sensor can cause excessive fuel delivery, leading to a noticeable fuel smell. Symptom number 7, lack of engine performance. A bad oxygen sensor can reduce engine power and responsiveness. You may notice sluggish acceleration and overall poor driving performance. Reduced engine power. If your vehicle shows one or more of these symptoms, scan the engine computer for trouble codes and inspect the oxygen sensors. Replacing a faulty oxygen sensor in time can improve fuel economy, restore engine performance, and prevent costly repairs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive repair tips. Thumbs up sign, like bell, subscribe automobile auto repair tips.